This is the fish that makes Dominicans forget they came to the beach to swim. Pescado frito, whole fried red snapper, crispy skin, done exactly the way the beach stands in Boca Chica do it. And I've got two of them, because one whole fried fish has never been enough for anybody in the history of the Dominican Republic. Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Let's cook. First things first, and I mean first. We wash the fish with lime. Cut a lime in half and scrub these snappers down, inside and out. This is the step every American recipe skips and every Dominican kitchen refuses to. The lime cleans the fish, kills that fishy funk, and honestly, it's tradition. You skip the lime wash, somebody's tia feels a disturbance and she doesn't even know why. Rinse it off, then pat these fish completely dry. Bone dry. If the skin is wet, it steams instead of fries. And we did not come this far for soggy fish. Now grab a sharp knife and make 3 deep diagonal cuts on each side. And when I say deep, I mean all the way down to the bone. Don't be shy. This fish is already having a bad day. You're not going to hurt its feelings. Those cuts are the whole secret to frying a whole fish. They let the seasoning get inside and they let the heat cook it through without burning the skin. Speaking of seasoning, let's build the paste. 6 cloves of garlic, mashed up good, a full tablespoon of adobo, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and half a packet of crumbled sopita, which is optional, but let's be real. It's not optional. Mash all that together and now rub it deep into every single cut and inside the cavity. Get in there. Season it like it owes you money, then let it rest for 30 minutes so all that garlic and oregano can move in and get comfortable. While that's marinating, let's handle the tostones, because pescado frito without tostones is just a fish with no friends. 2 green plantains. Green, not yellow. We're making tostones, not dessert. Peel them, cut them into 1-inch rounds, and give them their first fry in 350-degree oil, about 3 to 4 minutes, just until they soften. Pull them out, smash them flat, and set them aside. They'll get their glow up in a minute. Now the fish. Dust each snapper lightly with flour. We're using about half a cup total, and I said dust, not bury. A thin coat keeps that skin crackly. Then into about 2 inches of hot oil, 350 to 365 degrees, and lower it away from you, because oil splash forgiveness is not a thing. And here's where I need you to do the hardest thing in this entire recipe. Nothing. Do not touch that fish for 5 to 6 minutes. I know it's hard. I see you hovering with the spatula. And while we wait, real quick, mini soul snack. The hardest part of this recipe is leaving it alone, and honestly, that's the hardest part of most good things. Sometimes the move isn't pushing harder. It's trusting your prep and giving it time to cook. You did the work. Let it work. Okay, 1 flip, just 1, and another 5 to 6 minutes on the other side until it's deep golden and those fins are crackling. While it finishes, drop the smashed plantains back in the oil for their second fry, 2 to 3 minutes until golden and crisp, then salt them the second they come out. Drain the fish standing upright on a rack so the skin stays crispy on both sides. Squeeze fresh lime over everything and look at this. Crispy Dominican fried red snapper, golden tostones, lime dripping down the skin. This is Boca Chica on a plate. No flight required. The full written recipe with every measurement is waiting for you at kelvinskitchen.com. Link is in the description. If this video made you hungry, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the kitchen, and stick around, because in a couple of weeks I'm making pescado con coco, Samaná style, and you do not want to miss that. I'll see you in the next one.